Welcome to the Hormone Treatment Centers, the premier destination for bioidentical hormone replacement therapy for both men and women, located in Overland Park, Kansas. Our team of experienced medical professionals is dedicated to helping individuals achieve optimal hormonal balance and regain their vitality through safe and personalized treatments. We understand the significant impact that hormonal imbalances can have on overall well-being. That's why our specialized practitioners provide customized hormone treatments tailored to meet individual needs and enhance quality of life. Through thorough testing and analysis, our skilled practitioners accurately assess hormone levels and develop personalized treatment plans. We prioritize the use of bioidentical hormones, which closely resemble the ones naturally produced by the body. As a result, when individuals take it, their bodies receive it as if it were produced internally, minimizing the potential for side effects. Our comprehensive range of treatment options extends beyond hormone replacement therapy, HRT, and testosterone replacement therapy, TRT. We focus on addressing various aspects of well-being, including improving romance, reducing pain, enhancing mood, and optimizing body composition. Our goal is to provide holistic care that encompasses both physical and emotional well-being, helping individuals lead fulfilling and balanced lives. While hormone replacement remains our core focus, we are also deeply committed to promoting optimal health and wellness. Our main objective is to empower individuals to reach their highest functioning state by addressing their unique needs and goals. We believe that true well-being encompasses more than just the management of hormones, and we strive to provide comprehensive support for overall health and vitality. One of the most cherished quotes we've come across during our 13 years in the HRT specialty is, "Sometimes you don't know how bad you felt until you start to feel good again." This quote serves as a powerful reminder of the incredible transformation and renewed vitality that our patients often experience on their journey to recovery. It encapsulates the essence of our clinic's mission: to guide individuals towards a state of optimal health. It's a testament to the remarkable resilience of the human spirit and the extraordinary potential for positive change that resides within each and every one of us.
Take control of your hormone health and experience the transformative benefits of balanced hormones. Contact Hormone Treatment Centers today at 913-217-7244 or text 816-525-2535 to schedule a consultation and embark on your personalized journey towards renewed vitality and well-being.